Lovely farm.
A lovely farm. Yeah. Is it like a full working farm? I mean, are you...
We have 100 ducks, 100 geese, cows, pigs, goats, sheep. We have animals that you never see. It's just a wonderful 100 and some acre property in Americana that's just magical. And it's the thing that I am creating, which is Heaven on Earth, the name of the tour. But it's a whole philosophy of whatever you think the afterlife is going to be for you, you can start making that for yourself here somewhere.